Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Mojo car wash membership. Okay, so first of all what you have to do is you need to visit on their official website. On the official website, when you visit, at the very top side there is a button like manage membership. You need to select this option and it will pop up a new window. On this window you need to provide your mobile number and you need to click submit. Once you provide submit option, and then you are able to log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription, or you can also call their customer support team. Like, the phone number is available on their website. At very bottom side there is a page, like in the footer option there is a page, like there is a option like contact. You can contact with the customer support team by using their phone number, and once you get connected you can tell them that you wish to cancel your membership and they will cancel your membership after verification of your membership. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your membership with Mojo car wash. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.